Then I've just got to scribble their sigil in this pile of mashed potatoes, and there you are. How have you been? It's been a while, and I know this is highly unconventional, but I had such a good time with you last go round. I wanted to kinda, sorta, formally invite you in this time. Oh, and I made dinner. There are, a few different courses, and I probably made way more than the two of us can eat, but I wasn't sure what sorts of things a demon would want to eat. I figured meat, but beyond that, I mean, do you even need food? Whatever. It doesn't really matter. Fact is, I know you can eat, and you seemed to enjoy the cake last time, so passing a bit of pleasure on to you after our last encounter seemed only fitting. I know the cake wasn't the only thing you enjoyed putting your mouth on last time. Shut up. There's food on the table that's getting cold, so sit down and have a meal with me, won't you? Yeah, I'm blushing. So what? Only because it's hotter than hell here right now. Pardon the pun. Stupid city. Stupid asphalt and buildings everywhere. You know, my parents might have been absolute monsters to me, but I really miss the area I grew up in. Oh yeah, go ahead. Serve yourself. Anything that looks appetizing, go for it. I cooked enough to feed a football team. Probably be eating leftovers for weeks. What? No, I am not on the menu. Not until after dinner, at least. Oh, nothing. Nothing. Why did I summon you this time? Is it weird if I just wanted your company for the evening? Things are pretty monotonous here. Wake up, go to work, come home, clean, wait around until it's time to get up and go to work tomorrow. There's not much going on that's exciting. But after you showed up last time, it was like I had this renewed, fresh outlook on things. The world seemed a bit brighter. I don't know if it's just that I'm just that fucking lonely all the time, or do you think that might be it? That just being around something magical other than my wards was what really made the difference. You're right. This world outside my wards does feel bleak and colorless, and, quite frankly, soul-rotting. Sorry, I feel like I don't have very many positive things to say about the few months that have passed while you've been gone. Oh no, we won't talk about how much I read up on summoning and how much I've learned about it so that I can't just call it dad magic anymore. How many accidental butt dials I made to other demons trying to replicate your sigil before I finally just had to fucking ask another demon so I could quit blindly firing off shots in the dark. I know. I'm just a freak. It's okay. You can say it. I'm sure you're thinking it anyway. I've been called worse things, and it's just the truth at this point. Violet. My parents named me that because of my weird purple eyes. You'd think they would have known it meant I wouldn't be the normal child they were hoping for, but some folks, mine included, just aren't that bright. Did I seriously not tell you my name before? God, how much of a fuck up am I? Oh. Damn. I'd forgotten how huge your hands were. Why are you gripping my chin? You want me to look up at you? I could be standing and I'd still have to look up at you, so why? Stop. Don't. Please. Don't tell me things that aren't true, because you think that's what I want to hear. No. I can't. Holy shit. What the hell? Did I just make my entire apartment covered in plants? Flowers, ferns, there are even vines coming down from the ceiling. How did I manifest those things? You're right, they are beautiful, but I'm glad the wards kept them from bursting out and covering the whole building. What the hell am I going to do with them? I can unmake them. But wouldn't that be like killing them? I know it sounds ridiculous, but... Oh. Can I do that? Really? I've never done any sort of landfolding like that, much less with so many living things. I wouldn't want to accidentally hurt them, you know? Can you lend me part of your power to make sure it's executed properly? You can give me that "you're powerful enough on your own" crap until the cows come home. Thank you. Here, stand behind me and hold your hands out, palms up. Good. I'm going to settle my hands on top of yours and channel it through you, okay? Just talk me through what I need to do. Just close my eyes and visualize the plants all being in what would be their natural environment. I think I can manage that. Good. They're all gone. Except this one. Why this one in particular? It's a light purple rose. They're called blue girl roses. They're beautiful, and the fragrance is amazing. I never would have thought a demon would be so interested in plants and flowers. Oh, I see. You wanted me to have this one to keep because it's thorny, difficult to care for, but still sweet, just like me. Jerk. But thank you. What does it say about me that the presence of a demon puts me at ease? Am I an idiot or just lacking in self-preservation? I mean, between your last visit and this, you've taught me more about magic than anyone ever has. And you didn't treat me like a monster for having control over it. It makes me feel like maybe I really can belong somewhere. You know where I belong, huh? Oh, that's what you meant. No, I'm not nervous. It's just weird getting lifted up like I weigh the same as a toddler when I'm a grown-ass adult. It's not that I don't like it. I actually really like it. It's just that... stop playing dumb. You know exactly what it does to me. Right. Have to give you your 3 tributes for summoning you. Can we replace the blood with something else, though? I have something in mind. Especially since I discovered that these horns of yours are perfect for grabbing onto. Oh, you know I've got every intention of making it worth your while. Oh, really?